The United States and Israel have launched coordinated military strikes on Iran, with multiple explosions reported in Tehran and other parts of the country. According to Iranian media outlets, several missiles hit areas around University Street and Jomhuri Street in central Tehran. Witnesses reported thick smoke rising above the skyline. Explosions were also reported in the northern Sayed Khandan district, while additional strikes were said to have taken place in other regions, including Ilam province in western Iran. A US official confirmed that the operation was conducted jointly by American and Israeli forces. Another US source says that the attacks were being carried out from both air and sea. President Donald Trump stated that the military action was intended to address what he described as imminent threats posed by the Iranian government. He said the objective of the operation was to protect American citizens by neutralizing those threats. Israel's defense minister, Israel Katz, said the strikes were aimed at removing dangers to Israel's national security. Reports shows that one of the targeted locations was near offices connected to Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. However, report from the Iranian official says that Khamenei had been moved to a secure location outside Tehran. First Next News understand that the mobile phone services had been disrupted in several areas following the attacks, making communication difficult.